Welcome aboard the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, calling at Datchet, Sunnymeads, Raysbury. Welcome aboard the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, calling at Datchet, Sunnymeads, Raysbury, Staines, Ashford, Surrey, Feltham, Whitton, Twickenham, St Margaret's, Richmond, North Sheen, Mortlake, Barnes, Putney, Wandsworth Town, Clapham Junction, Queenstown Road, Battersea, Vauxhall, and London Waterloo.
Very warm welcome on this 1601 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. We'll be calling all stations as booked. Scheduled time to arrive in London Waterloo is 17:05. On the road to journey, we have some short platforms. Passengers travelling to Datchet and Raysbury should travel in the front 8 coaches of this 10-car service, and passengers travelling to Sunnymeads should travel in the front 7 coaches of this 10-car service. This is due to short platforms. I'm your guide today for this journey. I'm currently located in the rear of this train. However, I will be walking to the course of journey. If you require any assistance, please let me know. Next station stop is Datchet. Thank you.
The next station is Datchet. The next station is Datchet.
There's 1,500 pounds for additional extras. I think you'll come round.
How much is it?
60. Yeah. Yeah.
That's on top of it. You have to pay an upfront $4,000 fee for acceptance. And then to even get it back, you get 500 back.
This is Datchet.
And then with registration fees, only 480 £480.
This is the service to London Waterloo. The next station is Sunnymeads.
Oh my god, the sound is the worst one.
That's what I was saying.
Like the quality.
Yeah, bad. Yeah, I thought that'd be excellent.
Welcome aboard the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Calling at Sunnymeads, Raysbury, Staines, Ashford, Surrey, Feltham, Whitton, Twickenham, St Margaret's, Richmond, North Sheen, Mortlake, Barnes, Putney, Wandsworth Town, Clapham Junction, Queenstown Road, Battersea, Vauxhall, and London Waterloo. The next station is Sunnymeads. This is Sunnymeads. This is the service to London Waterloo. The next station is Riverside.
Yes, because you feel it, but
I wanted to go
we actually feel like it's no, it's just like a picture as well, but it's not good to put on Instagram.
I wouldn't expect that to be discovered.
Welcome aboard the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo.
Just looks like the average.
Calling at Raisbury, Staines, Ashford, Surrey, Felton, Whitton, Twickenham, St Margaret's, Richmond, North Sheen, Mortlake, Barnes, Putney, Wandsworth Town, Clapham Junction, Queenstown Road, Battersea, Vauxhall, and London Waterloo.
That's anything about it. So.
He's a what?
Do you say anything about the maps?
I know.
Yeah.
He said, you know, it ended up 6 o'clock and I was like, I'm going for the time to let him know. I was just like scoring the game on that one. I mean, he was obviously 7-9.
The next station is Raisbury.
I think I'll manage. I heard you're only having a what's it called? What did you get for lunch? Oh. I'm so tired.
This is Raisbury.
Because I think, you know, I told you, I said there was like a bit of cost to
Yeah.
like money. So he just kept like flexing money and feeling.
This is the service to London Waterloo. The next station
The funniest
is
was when
Staines.
he asked me to put my arms back and put my finger. You're only meant to go to here, but my finger further back. And he just stood there and just, oh. I was like, oh, sorry. I didn't realise that that wasn't normal. I thought it was more like,
I can do that.
like, do that.
I can do that. Do that.
Such a T-Rex. Do your forearms.
Welcome aboard the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Calling at Staines, Ashford, Surrey, Felton, Whitton, Twickenham, St Margaret's, Richmond,
Exactly, yeah.
North Sheen, Mortlake,
And like-
Barnes,
like that
Putney,
arm goes down
Wandsworth
straight like
Town,
that.
Clapham Junction, Queenstown Road, Battersea, Vauxhall,
Like,
and London
goes
Waterloo.
down and then up. Mine just goes like flat down. So it makes sense. It's special.
Yeah, I know why I guess with mother English cooking.
No, well, it's not how
Well,
it
they can't
works.
help.
No, that's what no correlation. It's because my mum's also having that.
next station is Staines.
Well, that's it.
Yeah, you know, my reflexes are very like sensitive. You can't even think that I see it. I was like, yeah. Like when you do like reflexes, like you hit like something out there with a thing.
Yeah.
But mine then goes most people's yeah, so yeah, you need a the reflex tab, the temper tab, we usually but like when you do it properly, my name just goes but it's meant to just like gently go mine is really sensitive. But I remember because of that I was always used to demonstration of my mental classes and they're like, this is how you do a reflex and I was going because some people are really like have low reflexes, so you can do it but you can't really see it. So it's not good to teach
I thought you meant like reactions, like
no, it's reflex time.
I've got very good reflexes. But I don't want to do it again. No, because I hit the ball and then catch it.
The next station is Staines. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.